How to select which email will be used when sending an email through a workflow. In some cases, you have a client that have several emails, like this fake client, and you want to choose what email is the one to use inside a workflow. When you're doing it manually, it's very easy. As you just put the cursor inside and click the icon. Okay, so that is kind of a totally straightforward. In the case of the workflow, since it's an indirect action, is you need to do something else. So basically, the way to do it is first you need to be at least in the advanced level to access the workflow. It's possible to access the workflow from here, from the marketing area, but also it's easier to do it here. And if we want to go to the workflow, we can click with a shift, as you can see there, shift click to go directly to the workflow area. Once here, when you add a step, here we have a test workflow. When we add a step to that workflow, and here we're going to select email. And as you can see, this special number shows up. We don't have it here, but we have it here. So if we want, I'm gonna put anything here, it doesn't really matter. But if you wanna select, for example, number 2, you can see it in the tooltip, you can read it. So you put number 2, that means that the number 2 email will be selected automatically when sending the workflow, or this email of the workflow, okay, as opposed to the number 1. That's all. Thanks.